Hey guys, Shane Sosa here, Palco Claims, headquartered here in New Braunfels, Texas. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the last video we talked about. We talked about your policy, common terms such as ALE, additional living expenses, and building code. If you want to find that video, there's a link in the description below, so definitely go back and check that out. But what I wanted to talk to you now are specifically about underpaid and denied claims. Why do insurance companies deny or underpay claims? And the interesting answer is it's not what you think. The insurance company is not inherently evil, right? They're not out to just underpay your claims, although sometimes it does feel like that, right? Let's say we have a hailstorm here in the Austin, San Antonio area, and it's a big hailstorm, and Kerrville just got hit not too long ago. College Station got hit, Dallas got hit. I mean, we're in storm season, right? So that's what's happening. These insurance companies have deadlines and they have things and dates they have to meet when people call in these claims. So think of an adjuster from Allstate or State Farm or whoever comes out to your property to inspect the hail damage claim that you called in. Now, that one adjuster may have 7, 8, I've even heard sometimes 10 appointments in one day to go and document all these hail claims. Now, think about that for a second. How detailed and how well can that one adjuster document the damages on your claim? Well, it depends, right? But in our experience, they just don't have the time to be detailed and thorough, and they're going to miss things, right? So you might feel warm and fuzzy that look how fast they came out, look how fast they got me a check in hand. And that's all by design, right? That's all by design, that they're going to come out, they're going to give you a check. But the question is that how well and how accurate is that check? How much does that check be worth? Do you even know, right? So insurance companies, they deny and underpay claims really because of, the sheer volume in which they have to work. But a lot of times too, some of the times they send people who are just untrained, right? They're the people who were working at fast food restaurant a couple of months ago. Trust me, I've seen it. I've seen it to where he was working at a fast food restaurant and now he's out documenting hail damage on the claim. Hey, we all started somewhere. I'm not knocking anybody for moving, trying to change their professional career. In fact, I used to be that, guy before I got into this industry. But that's the main reason they deny claims is really because it's a numbers game, for one, but two, it's just because they don't have enough time to be thorough. Here at Palco Claims, when we take on your claim, we can spend all day on site if we have to. We might have 1 or 2 or 3 at the most claims that we'll go document at any one given day, to where that adjuster has 7 or 8, right? So he can't be thorough, we can. So when you give us a call, we'll go through your claim, we'll look at all the paperwork, and then when we come out to do our inspection, we like to leave ourselves an hour and a half to 2 hours. Not saying it's going to take that long, but we allow it to take that long. And guess what? Even if it takes longer than 2 hours, we're not leaving until the job's done. And of course, we're going to document all that damage, show them what they missed. Oftentimes, the insurance company will want to go back out there and see, how did we miss all this stuff? But sometimes, and the ones that we do like, they'll just see our information that we submit and they'll make those approvals over the desk, which is great, which means that your claim is settled faster, we get you the money faster, which is the whole goal, right? The whole goal is not to get this thing dragged out, it's to get you your money as fast as you can, as fast as we can. There's no risk for hiring us here at Palco. Give us a call. Our office number is 512-553-6432. You can also go on our website, palcoclaims.com, and there's a form that you can fill out, and we'll get in touch with you as soon as we can and see if we can help you with your claim.